This is a video of how to make some concrete countertops. I think it's a good DIY project. It doesn't take too many specialized tools. I have made 4 different countertops. This is my 4th one. I think it turned out pretty good. Hope you enjoy the video. See you at the end. And man, this track saw does not stick to melamine like it does plywood. So if you're gonna use a track saw, gotta be extra careful. Maybe you'd use some clamps. I'm going to join 2 parts of the countertop across the sink. I'm put the sink right here. So I need to make sure that this is actually really straight, because we wouldn't want where they joined up to one be like bowed and one, you know, look like crap or something. So let's check this out and see if it's straight or not. Close enough for me. So I'll let that silicone dry overnight. Come back tomorrow, clean it up a little bit, make a negative space for where the drop-in sink's gonna be. Get that put on, and then we'll pour some concrete tomorrow. Check you out tomorrow. All right, now that I got the sink cut out, I've got it sanded smooth. I'm gonna take this plastic wood here. I'm gonna fill in any gaps. I'll let that dry and then I'll sand it. And then we're about ready to pour some concrete. This is where I need an assistant. Go watch TV or something and come back and this is done. Haven't found an assistant yet that wants to work for free. If somebody has a better idea of how to seal this plywood end, please put down in the comment section, because this kind of sucks. Now I got silicone on this edge as well. So for the color I want, looks like a dark gray. It says that 2 bags of this goes in 1 yard of concrete. 1 yard is 27 cubic feet. 1 bag of concrete is 0.6 cubic feet. So you do the math and it's like 7.97 ounces per bag of concrete. So I'm just round it up to 8, keep it easy to remember. So I'm gonna do 8 ounces of colorant per bag. 7.95, close enough. Now this counterflow additive says add to the dry concrete mixture, use 1 level scoop per 80-pound bag. And it's approved, whatever that means. So Miss Lewis, you ready for your new countertop?
I sure am.
So that wraps up my video on how to build concrete countertops. I think they turned out pretty good. I hope you learned something. I enjoyed the project and I enjoyed making the video. I'll be putting in a shiplap epoxy backsplash to go with some of the other walls in the house. And I'll also be building a custom baking sheet drawer to go in the bottom cabinets. So please hit that subscribe button so you see that future content. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.